are facing this type of credential issues while mapping your folder from server PC to client PC, then you are in the right place and I'm going to give you solution here. Okay, what you have to do is first go to your server PC, where is the main share folder. Okay, and just click on the start menu and type sharing, and you have to go to here manage and advanced sharing setting, and then you can find out here we have to turn on this network discovery, turn on file printer sharing, and here also turn on network sharing and turn on like this, and in all networks turn on this, and here there is turn on password protected sharing, and you have to just click here turn off password protected sharing and save and restart your server PC and try to connect, and your problem will be fixed. Okay friends, if this tutorial will help you, then please do like, share, comment, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.